Hey, hey, hey. Life is good. We're at a bowling alley. I shouldn't be here. I should be out and about getting my IDs and stuff, but hey, life is too short. Cherish your time with your friends. I also don't have cash. I have like $15 on me. Might have to go beg for change later. 因为钱包不见，没有银行卡，身上只有500块。
来宾持购票号码 A016 A016号的来宾，请持号码单至柜台购票，谢谢。
对，我要。I've only been here once and I'm kind of confused now. The trash is out. Oh, Houston. There's new trash. There is new trash every day. Oh, 对耶。
朋友已经进来先打，啊，你要买票。
啊。
你这边帮你买票。他们430小时。
They left my name at the counter. 我在跟镜头说话。They left my name at the counter. 他有留我的名字，然后他们已经进去了。Dasher 跟 Tallulah. We're out here with Daily Dasher and Tallulah today. They're already here, so they're inside. I was. Oh, I am not sick. I will make sure I don't get sick. Trust me. Oh my god, I shouldn't put money and kiwi together. 我的可，两奇异果跟钱应该不要放在一起会比较好。Yeah! Why do I have kiwi? Why?
在10号走道。
10号走道，好哦。人生。
这边。
I've only been here once on mobile stream. And it was disastrous because the mobile stream did not work in here. We might hit some Fs, I don't know. 之前来的时候超累的，我们店是跟那个林敬伦还有10号林敬伦还有那个 Tan Sugar. We came here with Sean and Tan before. 10号。Are we at the very end? Or are they not here yet? 10号是 official. Oh, this is our lane. I guess? Oh, that's at the arcade. Okay, so this is our lane, right? I'm pretty sure this is. Right? I'm not mistaken, right? 这是我们的球道吧 I think so. Why is there a nail clipper? This is so scary. 为什么有指甲刀 I will never ever use a public nail clipper. Oh my god. Holy shit. That is wow. No, I'm sorry. No. We have to go get shoes later. 要去换鞋子吧。
来宾持撞球预约